Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you spend your money wisely, or at least make you laugh while you do it. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums in the ring to battle it out for the title of Best Robo Cleaner. On my left, we have the eufy RoboVac 11S, and on my right, the iRobot Roomba 692. Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, let's start with the price tag, because who doesn't love talking about money? The eufy RoboVac 11S comes in at a sleek $229. Meanwhile, the Roomba 692 is strutting its stuff at $269. That's a $40 difference, folks. For $40, you could buy, well, probably not much these days, but still. If you're pinching pennies, eufy's already winning this round. Next up, let's see what goodies each vacuum comes with. The eufy RoboVac 11S gives you the whole shebang. A remote control, because walking to your vacuum is so 2019. A charging base, an AC power adapter, a cleaning tool, a side brush, and a user manual. Oh, and a worry-free 12-month warranty. That's like a whole Christmas stocking of accessories. And the Roomba 692? Well, it comes with a lot of promises about being smart and cleaning thoroughly, but it seems a bit light on the freebies. I guess iRobot's motto is, who needs accessories when you've got an app? Now, let's talk about how these bad boys actually clean. The eufy RoboVac 11S is like your reliable friend who shows up and gets the job done without any fuss. It vacuums, it cleans, it doesn't complain. Reviewers love its simplicity and effectiveness, especially for pet hair and litter. On the other hand, the Roomba 692 is like that overachieving cousin who has a special trick for everything. It's got a 3-stage cleaning system, dual multi-surface brushes, an edge sweeping brush, and dirt detect sensors. Plus, it learns your cleaning habits and can be controlled by your voice. I mean, we're one step away from it asking you how your day was. Reviewers appreciate its thoroughness and smart features, even though it can struggle with thicker rugs. When it comes to navigation, the eufy 11S is like a cautious driver, navigating under and around furniture without causing any drama. Reviewers find it reliable, but note it can get stuck sometimes. But the Roomba 692? It's like a parkour expert, with its adaptive navigation and cliff detect sensors. It's practically doing backflips to avoid falling down stairs. I bet it would even dodge Legos like a ninja. Reviewers highlight its ability to handle obstacles effectively, though it may need occasional rescuing. Let's talk battery life. Both of these vacuums run for about 90 minutes before they need a nap. But the Roomba 692 has a neat trick. It automatically docks and recharges itself. The eufy 11S does this too, but with less fanfare. It's like the Roomba wants a round of applause every time it plugs itself in. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of both models, but some note the Roomba's self-docking feature as a standout. Overall, reviewers are quite satisfied with both products, but they cater to different needs. The eufy RoboVac 11S is praised for its affordability, simplicity, and effectiveness, especially for pet owners. However, it can struggle with dark surfaces and cords. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba 692 is appreciated for its advanced features, thorough cleaning, and convenience, though it may have issues with thicker rugs and requires regular maintenance. So there you have it, folks. The eufy RoboVac 11S is your budget-friendly, no-nonsense cleaner, while the Roomba 692 is the high-tech, smarty pants of the vacuum world. Which one should you choose? Well, if you want to save a few bucks and keep things simple, Go with eufy. But if you like talking to your appliances and having them talk back, Roomba's your guy. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product showdowns and smart buying tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which vacuum you'd invite to your next cleaning party. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.